Are there Amazon seller training courses in India? Yes, there are several Amazon seller training courses available in India for both beginners and experienced sellers. Amazon itself provides official training through its Seller University program, which offers step by step lessons in English and Hindi. These tutorials cover everything from setting up your Amazon seller account to listing products, managing FBA, and scaling your store effectively. They are designed to make learning simple and accessible for Indian entrepreneurs. Apart from Amazon's free courses, many private institutes and online educators in India offer comprehensive Amazon seller training. These courses include practical sessions, product research methods, marketing strategies, and brand building techniques. Most of them also focus on Indian specific business aspects like GST, sourcing from local suppliers, and handling domestic logistics. In practice, thousands of Indian sellers start with free Amazon resources and then move to advanced paid training to master topics like PPC advertising, product ranking, and inventory automation. These structured programs help sellers gain hands on experience, reduce startup mistakes, and build sustainable online businesses. Many graduates from these courses go on to run successful FBA and e commerce stores. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the research and analytics tools you need to grow your Amazon FBA business.